What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. Right there it is, guys. The shirt, I'm hanging it back there. Buy the dip. Teespring link down below. Guys, also got a Webull link. First link down in the description. Download using that link. Deposit $100. Get 4 free stocks. That is right, man. 4 free stocks. We're going to start a $100 portfolio series soon here on the channel. So go ahead and get your account set up. Get those free stocks and be back for when we start that series. Guys, today's video I'm real excited about. We're talking about one of my sleeper favorite stocks. That's right. Genius Brands, baby. That's right. I love me some Genius Brands. And I'm going to tell you why I love some Genius Brands, guys. I'm going to tell you right now a quick little rundown of why I think people either love or hate Genius Brands. And if we go here to the shares, a lot of people got burnt by Genius Brands, bought in $4 or $5. You know, hey, you can't help that you did that. But someone like me bought in down here under $2 and under. So I'm really happy about the future of this company, and that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So let's get into my biggest reason, then we'll circle back on this here. But I want to get right to the good stuff of why I'm liking Genius Brands. So guys, my last video I did roughly about a week ago, we were here on the Fintel website for Genius Brands, and this will tell you of big institutional buyers that are purchasing the stock. So this is key, but I found something and did some research on it because you guys made me aware of it, because I'm learning as you guys are learning on this. And we scroll down through here, guys, and there's a lot of people buying up these shares. Look at this Vanguard Extended Market Index Fund. They have a total of 2.6 million shares. They just purchased that on November 27th. That is a huge investment. 2.7 million shares they have now in Genius Brands. And if we scroll down here, I mean, there's some big ones here. Like Susquehanna International Group has an account of 808,000 shares. Another Susquehanna International Group, 1.1 million shares. Millennial Management, 1.6 million shares. A Vanguard Group, 2.7 million shares. Just huge, huge stuff. And we keep going down here. We're going to find one that really caught the eye of the last video, and we're going to touch more on that. Here we got a Geo Capital, has 1.3 million shares. And right here, guys, is the one on November the 6th that I think is really, really key. And if you see it there, that's right. BlackRock Inc. is investing into Genius Brands. And if you don't know what BlackRock Inc. is, woo-wee, do we got something exciting for you. So, if you don't know, here's the BlackRock website. And basically, I'm just going to read this to you. BlackRock recently surveyed clients around the world representing US $25 trillion in assets under management to understand the shift towards sustainable assets and how the pandemic may affect it. Our findings were clear. The technical shift towards sustainable investing is accelerating. So BlackRock is the biggest investment firm out there, man. This is the big dog. This is the place that has the most freaking money, and they're buying into companies so they give their investors returns. And let's go take a peek at the CEO of this. And I think you guys maybe know who this is. That's right. Lawrence D. Fink is the big CEO of BlackRock. There he is. Just a quick search here on Google, BlackRock CEO. And we're going to read his little bio here. And his bio here on Wikipedia. Lawrence Douglas Fink is an American billionaire businessman. He is the chairman and CEO of BlackRock, an American multinational investment management corporation. BlackRock is the largest money management firm in the world with more than $6.5 trillion in assets under management. Guys, let's say that again. $6.5 trillion. I'm not saying million. I'm not saying billion. I said $6.5 trillion, guys. Now, if that don't get you excited, that the largest money management firm is investing in Genius Brands, I think people are sleeping on this, And I've been doing Genius Brands videos, man. People was missing the boat. And I'm going to circle back now to what I'm liking as well. We have another great article on the Genius Brands website that I think is really huge, that people just, I don't know, they're putting blinders on the Genius Brands for some reason. I don't get it. Like, so if you go here to the website, this is phenomenal news. Genius Brands International promotes Michael Jaffa to Chief Operating Officer. He is a former he's a former DreamWorks Animation Television and Hasbro Studios executive, expands the current role to address the company's accelerated growth. That was just published on the 4th, guys. Genius Brands is making moves, guys. They got the deal with Samsung. They're on all kind of TV, Apple TV, Nick Jr. Guys, they are freaking on a roll. They are really trying to grow this children's brand, and I'm sure you guys know this if you're watching this video because you follow Genius Brands, but they have a lot of great cartoons out. They got the Stan Lee Superhero Kindergarten, which has Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he's going to be a cartoon character and using his voice. Guys, even Warren Buffett, if that don't get you excited about BlackRock, which BlackRock is the biggest, but we also got the legend himself, Warren Buffett, is a part of Genius Brands. That's right. Warren Buffett is all about the Warren Buffett Secret Millionaires Club, and that show, guys, is to basically teach young children, because as you know, Warren Buffett is looking to take all of his money and invest and donate it to charity when he passes. So he is all about helping children and making them successful in life, and that's what I really like about it. Also, guys, touching base on, they recently acquired Shaquille O'Neal, Shaq, that's right, for Shaq's Garage. The company is making moves, and I think Wall Street and a lot of other investors is sleeping on it. So if we go back here to the chart, and I'm going to tell you why I think people are sleeping on it. So Genius Brands originally, as you guys know if you follow this stock, this thing had huge hype up, man. This thing was up into $4 and up to almost $8 a share, man. And there was people buying it, man, on the hype. And it's not Genius Brands' fault that people bought hype. So if you're an investor and you're buying into any stock, whether it's Genius Brands or anything, and you're buying on hype, and that thing shoots up to the moon and you're buying and it sells off, that's not the company's fault. So that's why people was mad, because they were buying this at $4, $5, $6, $7, almost even $8. People were investing, and this thing plummeted down to $1, and even today we're at $1.37. I myself have been buying shares. I bought some shares in the $2 range, so I'm okay with that. Then I started selling cash covered calls. I do $2 puts, and basically I would get the premium for that, and I had to put $200 up. They'd give me like, I think about $60, $70 in premium when it was like $1.20 or so a share, and I'd get that $70 back. So that's why I have right now about 500 shares. Now, like I said before, guys, in past videos, I have 500 shares at an average cost of $1.78. And it does say I'm down like 23% for $200, but actually that's not accurate, because I don't think Robinhood updates the options plays. So when you're doing those $2 puts, cash secured puts, and you get assigned that, it's not including the premium, because if I go down here and look into my, like, there was a call I did, I got $73 credit. Let me make this bigger for you guys. See if I can get all my plays here. Oh, they must have. Oh, no, that's my options play. So, yeah, never mind, guys. I do have two options right now. I got a January 21st of 2022. I possibly recommend you guys checking out that play, man. That is a possible good play. A long-term play. Another almost year plus on the play, guys. And we got a January of this year. So I got a short-term one coming up, and I got a long one. I may add another one in there, or I may just start buying more shares and seeing where this goes, because I do think no problem this would be $2. But as the future goes, $2 is coming soon on the short term. Within the next, say, 3 to 6 months, possibly, we could see $2. But as the years go on, I can see this hitting $3. I can see this hitting $4. And I can possibly even see this going up to $5 in the future. Give it 2-3 years, it will go up, guys. I'm telling you. Genius Brands is a winner. I'm telling you, man. just listen to me. If you follow me on Golden Nugget, I was talking to you guys on Golden Nugget when that thing was down $11 and $12 a share. That Golden Nugget is going to be a $30 stock, $25 to $30 stock in the short term. I'm telling you right now, Genius Brands is going to be a $2 stock for the next 3 to 6 months. I'm promising you that. So I got my 500 shares, and even when it gets to $2, I'm not going to sell them. I'm going to hang on to them because I see this stock going to $3, $4, $5 in the future, and that's where I plan to be. So, guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys that support me. Comment down below. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's